case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard a landmark case in 1965, Textile Workers Union versus Darlington Manufacturing Company, wherein the central question rested on the rights of employers. The issue: could an employer legally terminate their entire business for any reason but not selectively close part of it in response to anti-union activities? The controversy began when the National Labor Relations Board accused Darlington Manufacturing, owned by the prominent Milliken family, of breaking labor laws. The allegations stemmed from Darlington closing its plant after a union had been elected. It was alleged that Darlington refused to negotiate with the union following this. However, the Court of Appeals, which initially heard the case, overturned the board's decision. The court affirmed an employer's unrestricted right to shut down their entire business, even if underlying motives include anti-union sentiments. Supreme Court justices saw it differently. They determined that while employers do have the right to terminate their entire business, they do not have carte blanche to close parts of their enterprise in anti-union maneuvers. Moreover, the High Court deemed that Darlington and the Milliken family's other textile companies did indeed engage in unfair labor practices. This decision followed Darlington's decision to liquidate and sell off its assets subsequent to the plant's closure. The Supreme Court consequently reversed the ruling of the lower courts and sent the case back to the National Labor Relations Board. The justices demanded further scrutiny of the case, specifically requiring the board to provide a more thorough examination of central elements in the case to assess if there was an unfair labor practice. In a judicial twist, the High Court overturned the Court of Appeals' previous decision and tasked the board with further exploration of the case. The goal? A deeper understanding of unfair labor practices and their effects on employee rights, setting a new precedent for future labor disputes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class